He was tired of the human race, the bills, the lies, the endless race to nowhere. And far away in the forest, a monkey dreamed of the exciting world of humans. One strange day, fate granted them their wish, swapping their lives, starting again as children. The monkey, now a human child, felt the thrill of the city. The man, reborn as a baby monkey, found a joy he had never known. But human life came with a heavy price: stress, debt, and endless problems. The monkey no longer wanted to be human. The man, now a monkey, had no desire to return to the human world. In the end, both understood every life has its own truth, and sometimes simplicity wins.